Discussions and debates are preferred instead of arguments because when you argue, you're trying to find out who's right and who's wrong, whereas a discussion serves to establish what is right. As far as possible, seek a peaceful resolution, and if you can't, agree to disagree politely. Don't be overly sensitive and take things too personally. At times, people behave the way they do because of the burdens they're carrying. Be kind. Try and put yourself in their shoes and empathize. If you can't, be nice and don't hurt them. You'll have a more peaceful life. Don't keep dwelling on your past. Acknowledge what happened and learn the lessons meant for you. The Almighty did that for a reason. It takes courage to leave the past behind and make that first move forward. Get out of the dark times and into the light of new and better days. Deal with your insecurities. If they have been shaped by someone in authority criticizing you, recognize this and understand that people change over time. Forgive the past. Otherwise, insecurity will always keep you on the defensive. You think everyone's talking about you. When you've committed a sin, quickly repent and get back on track. Reflect, show remorse and commit to never make that mistake again, but don't dwell on it. Take a deep breath and remind yourself, this is just a chapter, not your whole story. If you want to mend relationships that have soured over the years and you find the other party not forthcoming, don't despair. You've done your part. Keep asking the Almighty to soften hearts. It will happen sooner or later if He wills. No matter how much you've endured, no matter what has happened, remember, good is always around the corner. Dawn will emerge. The sun will shine again. Your most valuable takeaway will be the lessons learned along the way. Use them to propel you to the next stage of life. Only a genuine heart can celebrate other people's success. Learn to be happy for them, even before you experience your share of blessings. Don't begrudge others. You can ask the Almighty to bless you with the same or more. But never be mean and wish ill upon people. You hear this often enough. Everyone's doing it, you'll regret it. You're still young, have fun, the familiar whisperings of Satan. Protect yourself from his tricks. Don't go down that path. Don't give in. Stay firm. Keep a level head and exercise self-restraint. Don't rush the Almighty. Don't rush what He has planned for you. Don't rush through your supplication thinking that He will abide by your timing. No. Your Creator has His own timing. Trust Him and the process. Learn to be patient. It will be worth it in the end.